So do you believe also means manifestation really works?
To be honest, Kriti, I have very little knowledge about manifestation. But as far as I'm concerned, that manifestation is works definitely. But
Hi Varkha, how are you?
yeah, I'm pretty well. Thank you for asking. And how about you?
Yeah, I am also fit as a fiddle. Thank you for asking. And how is your day shaping?
My day is shaping well. I would say that today was a productive day. And how about you? How is life treating you so far?
Yeah, my life is also treating well, but nowadays I am little bit very busy, so sometimes I feel frustrated.
Okay, you are quite busy, it seems.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, because some work and my study also, so
Yeah,
that's why.
yes, yes, yes. You are pursuing MBA, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think you told me you are learning guitar, so you motivated me. So I thought, why not? I have to start my journey also.
Yes, yes, yes. Because this is a right time because our kids has have a little bit grown up, so we are getting some time
Yes.
for ourselves. So we should be utilize our time. It's a great things you are doing, I must say.
Yeah, because I think earlier I was not aware I should do for ourselves also, because earlier I thought now it's enough for me because now I got baby, so I have to look after my baby, so this is only for me. But when I have started to learning English also, then I get motivated, and so many like you and so many friends uh, I got, so
But
always
to
boost
be,
my
yeah,
confidence.
yeah, but to be honest, I'm not getting time for my guitar. I forgot everything. You don't believe this thing because I don't know where my time is flying, and I'm not maybe I'm not managing well. But I try to my I mean give up. I'm giving my best, although I'm not getting time for my guitar and all my hobbies. But it's a life the way it is.
Yeah, sometimes sometimes ups and downs come, so so we have to overcome that thing on, and gradually we will start again.
Yes, yes, and I joined that gym also, so I spending 1 or 2 hours there, and so it is a quite hectic for me because managing
Yeah.
household chores and everything.
Yeah, I think this is the good thing as a lady, because as a woman, because we don't get much time to think ourselves. So now I am also getting take out time for me also. I am also not joined, but in my society it is there. So I try to go and I utilize my time in productive way.
Yeah, glad to hear that.
Yeah. So shall we start that?
Yes, yes, sure, sure.
So do you believe also means manifestation really works?
To be honest, Kriti, I have very little knowledge about manifestation, but as far as I'm concerned, that manifestation is works definitely, but it is when it is supported by action. Like I read somewhere that watch your thoughts, it's become your words. Watch your words, it's become your actions. What your actions, it's become your that habits. Watch your habits, it's become your character. Watch your character, it become your reality. So our thoughts directly affect our reality. But the thing is that whatever we want to achieve, we created twice, one in our mind first, and then in reality, in this world through
Yes.
action. So I would say, if I want to achieve something, so I'll begin by that that deciding part that I want to achieve this, and after that I how to achieve my goal, and visualizing myself that I'm putting in my efforts, and eventually I succeeding. So I would say that this is a manifestation is all about. But if I only dreaming or thinking about positive, so it will not work. We have to put in our heart and soul in reality. So in a nutshell, I would say manifestation is all about positive affirmation plus taking actions. So it
Yeah,
definitely
totally.
works in our real life.
Yeah, totally. I resonate with you because earlier I didn't think about manifestation, but um, I heard to someone, if you are manifest in your mind and you have to take an action towards that. So and always make a positive mindset.
Correct.
Then then it will work. So now I am also trying to manifest, and I think. If we are giving ourselves 100%, so definitely it will work. Otherwise only um, we are also thinking in our mind, and just we are thinking, we are not taking any action, so it will not work. We know that action speaks louder than word, right?
Correct, correct, correct. And we putting if we put our heart and soul into it, so definitely, and simultaneously we give positive affirmation to our mind that we can achieve this. I'm deserving this thing, and visualize this thing that I already reached that level. So definitely, it's like a cherry on the cake.
Yes, yeah, definitely it is true. So have you ever manifested something do your life, and what happened?
To be honest, right now I'm not remind anything, but yes, I'm giving my example now. We are learning this language, so I'm giving my example that I took a plunge 6 months ago that I had become a fluent in this language. So I started my journey from scratch. And first I decided, then I try to utilize all most of the time regarding this language, like take calls with talk with co-learners, and listening to English podcast, reading sometime, and try to speak in English at home most of the time. So I would say I'm putting my efforts. I'm not saying that I reach that level, but I would say I'm improving day by day and I'm better than before. So I would say manifestation definitely work in my case, because if I am consistent throughout the life or throughout the years, so definitely I will reach that level.
Yeah, I totally agree with you, and I totally resonate with you. Actually, 6 months ago, I have also manifested. I have to speak fluent, and I have giving heart and soul to learn this language. And every time I want midnight oil, and uh, whenever I got time, so I try to connect with people, and I used to talk to them. So in that way, uh, I also agree, means if we manifest anything and we are giving our heart and soul, and just we don't procrastinate, just we have to work on that, so definitely it will work.
Yes,
Otherwise it will
yes,
not work.
yes, correct, correct.
And as we know, Rome wasn't built in a day, right? So it will takes time. Earlier I thought, no, it is a uh, I will learn in a 1 month or 2 months, but it is not true.
Yes,
If
yes.
you are giving your effort 100%, then you get success. Otherwise we will not get
This
success.
is a lifelong journey because this is a language, right? And there
Yes.
is always a room for improvement. There is no perfection.
Yes.
Perfection is like a myth, right? And so we have to improve ourselves throughout the life, I would say, for this language particularly, because this is not a 9 days wonders. This is a lifelong
Yes.
journey. Yes.
Yes, I totally agree with you. So, how important is positive thinking in achieving our goals?
Yeah, definitely. if somebody has a positive mindset, so definitely he can achieve whatever he want to do, maybe sooner or later, but he definitely achieve. Because if somebody has that positive mindset, so he or she thinks like whatever they face in their life, they think like whatever happened for the reason. They always
Yes.
see the bright side of the situation. They are not blame to people and situation and circumstances. They focus on themselves and situation and try to figure out what the root cause, what is the solution. Then they overcome the setback, and that they come stronger on the other side. So I would say, if somebody has positive mindset, so definitely they can achieve whatever they want to do. On the flip side, if we say about negative people, so they always try used to they tend to blame people, situation and circumstances, and they always get stuck in a vicious cycle, the negative
Yes.
thoughts of cycle. So I would say which this thing which make them more weaker.
Yes.
And more positive people always think like they have a confidence that they cross the bridge when it comes to it, right? And हिंदी में we can say that मुसीबत सब पे आती है, कोई बिखर जाता है, कोई निखर जाता है, ये हमने सुना है ना, ये कुछ
Yes.
है। तो इट्स
Yes.
डेफिनेटली इट्स अ वेरी ट्रू लाइन। एंड आई वुड से दैट if we it's all about our mindset actually, how we see the situation, how we see the world.
Mm. Yeah, I totally agree with you because earlier I used to blame myself. Why am I means I am not learning this language? Why this is tough for me? Everybody is speaking English. Why am I not speaking? But blaming to ourselves it rather than we have to work on that.
Correct.
I learned that thing because if we take a plunge and we work hard on that, so definitely it's work. Other and definitely we should make a positive mindset. It is definitely true because if you are and positive mindset and in positive environment also we need, because if we are living in positive environment, so we get something positive and we muster up our
Correct.
courage to take a plunge also,
Correct.
right? Because and earlier I used to see that means I used to sat with my friends and just I chit chat and talking, but I realized that that is the waste thing, means that is also important, but rather than we have to focus on our goal. So it will work. And when I have started this learning English, so my mind also not think a negative thing. Otherwise, always I thought means why people are doing like that, means some people hurts me, so always it's bother me. So I always used to think about it, but nowadays I am not thinking about it. Just I am thinking how to improve my communication skill, how to achieve my goal. So that thing,
Yes, yes.
so
Totally,
definitely.
our life shifted 180 degrees, right?
Yes, yes. And yeah, means I feel that means if you make a goal in your life and if you are working towards that, so definitely our mind will not think negative thing. If people are speaking negative things, so that time we try to ignore them, and just we have to calm and compose ourselves and just take a plunge and and burn midnight oil, so definitely we will get a success is in our life. Because I think positive mindset and positive environment, this is the cherry on the cake if you are learning anything.
Correct, correct. I'm completely of the same mind, Kriti.
Yeah. So, can manifestation work without taking action? So,
No,
I
not
think
at all,
every.
because manifestation does not work alone. It, I mean, needs that actions, because in if we want to convert our dream into reality, so we put our efforts. Because see, if for example somebody is hungry and he or she needs food, so that we cannot make an omelette without breaking eggs. We definitely we
Yes.
should work upon it, then it will work. So I would say manifestation does not work alone. It is required actions.
Yes, definitely, I agree with you. So, what daily habit can help people manifest their dreams?
So I would give my example. Earlier, I said that we are in the same boat. We are learner, English learner. So we are putting our 100% effort in a daily basis. We talk with co-learners. We listen to English podcast. We reading sometime, or and whenever we get chance, we speak in this language. So I would say this is that efforts. First, put your 100% efforts. Second, uh, give some time for your health as well, because we know this health is
Yes.
wealth. If you are healthy, you can do whatever you want to do in your life, right? And for example, that when I started my journey, I was in average weight, but after 6 months I recognized this thing that I put on 6 kg extra weight. So now I go back to track, and I joined a gym, and I'm simultaneously I'm doing yoga, meditation, and I'm focusing more on my eating patterns and everything, sleep. So I would say that health is very necessary. And third thing is a positive mindset. We need positive mindset if we want to live happy life and self-content life. So definitely we should have positive mindset. Fourth is spend quality time with our family and loved ones, because this is very important. That if we have someone, that 1 or 2%, I'm not saying we make everyone happy. This is not any we cannot do this thing, but at least we can involve in our life 1 or 2% very honest, so we can express ourselves, and they give a shoulder to cry on whenever we
Right.
need it.
Yes.
So definitely if we do this thing, and whatever we have, we give gratitude to God. So definitely we will live our life healthy and happy.
Yeah, I totally agree with you. And if you are manifest anything, so just and make a goal also. Okay, and determine towards them also. Then positive mindset is definitely, it is very important, and we should gratitude whatever we have. uh,
Correct.
then it will work. And I think if you are giving your heart and soul, so definitely we will get everything. And where there is a will, there is a way, right?
Yes, yes. But success is not about only one thing. It is a combination of many things. Like we have a good
Yes.
relationship, we feel self-content, and sometimes we face setbacks. So how we can tackle this situation? So it's all about. Success is all about. Not is we can judge only with one thing.
Yeah. And if any setback in our come in our life, so that time also we are think positive, because it is easier said to done. But
Yes.
if we are positive mindset, so definitely we have to overcome that thing. And because I learned so to my journey and to my life, because I also saw so many setback in my life. But that time I faced with positive mindset. And eh, we have to we don't blame to other people. Just we should calm ourselves. And I think, yeah, you also said right thing, means we should give our time for loved ones. If setbacks come in our life, so they always with us.
Correct. Correct. Yes.
because that time friends will not come, out your neighbor will not come, just family will help, and they will come in our life, and they will give the
We are
support
actually,
and
we are humans, right? We are humans, and we are tend to express our emotions with someone reliable
yes.
person. So definitely we have one or two person in our life, so we can rely on that, we can trust on them.
Yeah, definitely. By God grace, my parents always come with me. Means so many difficulties come in my life, but they are always come with me. They never give up. Okay, this I will not do. I will not do. But they always with me, and they always help me. So I am very
Yeah,
lucky.
in any
I
form,
and God.
like parents, friend, husband, kids, any form. But we should have, I mean,
Yeah.
this kind of people in our life.
So have you ever written your journal in daily life?
No, to be honest, no. Because no, I'm not in the reading part, and I earlier said that I have very little knowledge about manifestation. I only heard that what is manifestation, but I'm not, to be honest, I'm not applying. But yes, definitely, whenever I decide something and then I put my efforts, 100% effort, so my efforts gives me positive affirmation. Now I'm putting my 100%, so I can deserve this thing. So I must say this is manifestation for me, because I'm putting my effort, then my hard work, gives me positive information to my mind. Yes, I'm putting every day, so definitely I will reach that goal. So
You know,
manifestation for me is this only.
yeah, earlier I used to jot it down, my daily life, but nowadays I am not. Means before marriage, I was written in my diary, but nowadays I am also
No,
not
actually,
writing.
earlier what I think that whenever I decide something, or only we can only think in our mind. So it's like we building a castle in the air. But if we
Yes,
want to reality, so we have to put our efforts. And to be honest, now this is one thing English language, that I am realizing that I am putting my 100% efforts for this. Earlier, I was not do anything actually, but because this thing I am doing with realization, with consciously I am putting my efforts. That's why I realized this is, yes, this thing is I definitely achieve at that goal sooner or later, but I definitely become fluent in this language.
I think means earlier I have given my time for like that. Means every time we are speaking and we are making environment to ourselves to learn this language, right? But in since childhood we are not giving this type of
Correct,
effort,
correct.
right?
We are not very conscious about that time. I was
Yes,
not very conscious what we are doing, and what I have done, where I made mistake. Now up now we are conscious. Whatever we are doing,
yes,
we think about that. Yes, where I make mistake, and what I am doing, what will my next step it should be. So we are learning this language with conscious effort, I would say.
yes, yeah, it is true. Earlier I means I am thinking, means earlier I used to like, means I was giving my effort 100%, so definitely I was in next level.
Correct, correct.
Right.
So true, so true.
Yeah.
Yeah, I totally resonate with you,
So
because we are in the same boat.
yes. So what is your weakness?
My weakness now, I'm working on it, but yes, I have less patience whenever I'm facing setback in my life or adversity. I don't know, I lose my temper, I lose my strength. Even though after some time I accept that situation, yes, because I know this thing. If I have strong teeth, even then I cannot bite water. Everything in not my control. Now I realizing this thing, and then I muster my courage and then figure out what the root cause, what the solution, and then I move forward. So I'm learning this thing. I'm a learner. Actually, I'm not learning only this language. I'm learning so many things in my life due to this English journey.
I also don't have a patience, because I have seen myself, means earlier, whenever anything happened, yeah, anything I am learning, so I thought, okay, I have to learn in hurry way, because
Yes,
but it is not a true.
correct.
Over the period I realized it. No, I have to keep patience and just give our time. Definitely we will get a result,
Hmm.
but in the hurry way we cannot get result.
We are very gullible that time. In our early age we
Yes,
are very gullible actually, and now we are learning ourselves, so we are getting I mean so many things, right?
I think over the period time also taught us
Yes, yes.
we to how to be resilience and how to keep patience. Everything we taught over the period, means life always taught us many things.
Correct, correct. Life is the best teacher, I would say.
Yes. So what is your means what is your positive thing, means how to
Yeah, my
take everything.
positive thing. Yes, I definitely. If I told you my weakness, so definitely I that what is my strength? I definitely tell you my biggest strength is like I consider myself a learner, because first time the life taught me something, so I learned that thing, and now still I am consider myself as a learner, and till my last birth I consider myself as a learner, because it's so many things we are uh, we can get, and
Yes.
so many, because we have a lot of vices like anger, irritation, that greediness, attachment, so many things. So we can say that we have to work a lot on ourselves, but yes,
Yeah, definitely.
this thing is my strength, that I'm learning, and I'm hardworking, I'm a diligent person.
Yeah, and if I tell about myself, so definitely, earlier I was like a childish, means I think everything I get very easily, but it is not true. We sometimes we should take take time actually, and just we should try to understand the people also. Where are you living? Just think in your mind, and every time everything is not a bed of roses. Sometimes we also see ups and downs. So and I should means I should consider myself as a, yeah, definitely childish, but nowadays I overcome that thing, and now I try to think in positive way, and whenever something happen in my life, so definitely 2 3 times I will think about that. And I don't know, always I think like means how to say that, like we are living in earlier like childhood, right? So like we are living like a friends, always share everything and tell everything, means whatever our come in our mind. But now, over the period life has taught me everything is not a bed of roses, just you learn, and you learn to people also, that is also important.
Correct, correct, correct. Because we have only one life. We cannot experiment all these things in our life only. We can learn
Yes.
so many things from other life, right? So definitely we learn, even we can learn from a small child as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So last question is that what is success to yourself, means what do
So,
you think about that?
yeah, because earlier I was always think about this about success, that what is success actually for me. So I really get that answer, that success is like a self-content. If I am self-content, and if I facing my adversity, whatever challenging situation in very calm way and very positive way, so I would say I am successful. I'm not, I mean, if
Yeah,
I'm juggling with somebody, with something, so it is not my success. If I'm smoothly go with the flow, if I go with the flow easily, easy way, so I would say I'm successful.
yeah, I totally resonate with you because I think success is not every time money.
Hmm.
It is a peace of mind also
Correct.
because if we are feeling contentment, so definitely this is the success actually.
Yes. If you have a lot of money, but you juggling with your small task, you are get irritated, you are express your anger in front of your loved ones and family members or other person. So, what kind of success this is?
Yeah, I totally agree with. So you have any questions, so you can also.
Yeah, I don't prepare any question, but yes, I would love to ask about your journey because you are doing very great in your life nowadays. Because I observing these things. So, what is secret behind? What one thing you already changed in your personality? Yeah, what kind of change
Uh,
you have feel in your personality nowadays?
Actually, I changed my mindset. Earlier, whatever I was thinking, so that thing I have changed because my parents also uh, uh, said me, Spriti, you have to change your behavior and your thinking ability also because now you are not a kid. Now you are a grown up and you are a mother of kids. So that thing always I keep in my mind, and I think learning English also changed my behavior and my thinking also. So definitely I consider myself now I am a positive person, and I now uh, if any hurdles will come in my life, so that time I face with open heart.
So that
I
time,
that time
what do you think? I mean, you if you face some challenges in your life, so yeah, what is your mindset at that time? What do you think
you
about
know
that?
always always I complained to everyone about any situation, but now I realize that we should not complain ourselves to any person. Just face the challenge because challenge is a part and parcel of life. I told you means earlier I used to do like a childish, but now I changed my mindset, and now I am thinking about my goal only. I have
Yes,
to achieve
and
something in my life.
yes, and we are observing this thing that we are not only the person who are facing challenges. Everybody facing in their challenges in their
Yes,
life. So we cannot say this thing that what happens only with me, this thing, because
yes,
everybody has their own battle, right? So I would
yes.
say everybody is I mean same, and we should have
Yeah,
a
yeah,
empathetic
definitely.
empathetic mindset, right?
Yeah, we don't complain to ourselves in front of people also because uh, it gives us bad yeah, bad means people will think about bad in negative
Yeah.
because if we are complaining ourselves to in front of people and something we are doing happily in our life, so other people will see, okay, see
Yes,
always
correct, correct.
complain uh, towards the life, towards the means family, but now she is enjoying their life.
Hmm.
So people will think negative also, so it is better to keep inside and just shut your mouth and enjoy your life.
Correct,
Don't complain to other people.
correct, correct. Yes, yes. It is not necessary to express our own thoughts to everybody, right?
You know, if someone understand you, so it is better to
Yes,
tell them.
correct.
Otherwise, leave it.
Yes, yes. I totally agree with this point. Okay.
because now I learned so many things. Within a 6 month, I have learned, and
Even
now
even
I
even
change my.
I'm learning so many things, Kriti, because we are not learning only this language. Through this language, we are learning a life lessons. So
Yes,
I would say it is a like a what can I say, that it is very important. This is a U-turn in our life.
yes.
Correct.
Yeah, because earlier I used to see the other life.
Hmm.
See, she is very happy. Why my life is not like that? But every time everything is not right, right?
Yeah. Grass is always greener
Is
on
not,
the other side.
yes. But now I realized whatever we are saying, that is not correct. Everyone has a own setback and own challenges.
Yes, yes, correct. I totally resonate with you, and you are on the right track, I must say.
Yeah, definitely. And one thing I learned, always always be gratitude to God whatever we have.
Correct, correct.
Yeah.
Okay, because I heard
So
someone that you are living this thing, and you are living your life and complaining so many things about your life. So your life is someone is dream,
yes,
because
yeah, it
so
is
many
true.
people is very underprivileged, and we are thank to God that we have lot of things in our life. So we should be grateful.
Yeah, my parents also tell me, just whatever you have, just gratitude to God, means whatever they have given you.
Yes.
Don't always complain about your life.
Correct, correct, correct. Okay, Kriti, thank you so much. After so many, so long we haven't connected, but it's whenever I connect, I feel different kind of vibration from you, and I feel like you are my old friend because we discussed.
Likewise, I never feel, I never feel means I don't know you.
Hmm.
I also feel means no, I know you for a long time, and just we are a friend. Means
Yeah, because
so
our frequency
sometimes,
is match. I think the all about
yeah,
our frequency.
sometimes, yeah, sometimes our vibes will match. So then we have to feel happy, and we always try to connect again and again.
Correct, correct, correct. Thank you so much, Kriti. You are giving me these opportunities, and I we will connect again definitely.
Yeah, thank you for your giving your time, and yeah, same here also. I feel means I this is the contentful session means.
Mm, yes,
Yeah.
thank you so much, Kriti.
So
Have a nice day.
yeah, have a nice day.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Bye bye.